Mike Fleming is my name. I'm a 65-year-old baker in this industry all my life. I've been a bakery educator for over 40 years, and in the last 30 years I've been a bakery educator here in Singapore and in Asia. And one of my latest works is this book here, Baking for Non-Bakers. Baking for Non-Bakers came out of a self-help group I was working with, and the people in the bakery didn't understand what they were doing, and I thought of it, now is the time to write something that contained information. It contains 3 phases. Chapter 1, micro bakery ingredients. Chapter 2, baking practices. And Chapter 3, which is the baking processes and procedures. This is my first book, which we call Baking in Asia. This is a record of the 28 years that I was in Singapore. The journey in Asia started in China back in 1992. I started in Singapore in March of 1993, and until 2020 contains the journey through China in setting up a bakery in Wuxi in Suzhou, and also then come to Singapore and setting up the Baking Industry Training Centre at Prima, which is the local flour company here in Singapore. The first professional baking course in Asia, and also in Singapore and also in Asia. I goes on to talk about the many multinational corporations that I work with, technical matters on industrial baking, particularly McDonald's bun makers, develop industrial programs. There's a story behind the various processes and procedures we went through